Good morning, students. So in today's class, we'll start with the next method. It is elimination method. So this is another method of solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. So here, what we do is we eliminate one variable, either it may be x or y. So this method is sometimes more convenient than the substitution method. And let us understand how this method works through the exercise 3.4. So see here, solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. Anyway, in the previous section we have discussed about substitution method. So I will be solving the problems by the elimination method. So you have to solve them by other method, that is substitution method also. So now let us understand the elimination method through the first exercise problem. So now first one, x plus y, which is equals to 5, call this as equation number 1, and then 2x minus 3y, which is equals to 4. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, call this as equation number 2. So here we have to eliminate either x or y. In order to eliminate the variables, so we have to make either x equal or y equal. So here it is x, here it is 2x, and here it is y, but here it is minus 3y. So now in order to make x equal, we have to multiply the equation 1 by 2, so that it becomes 2x. Or in order to make y equal, we have to multiply the equation 1 by minus 3. So here I will be making x equal. So see here, multiplying equation 1 by 2. So let us multiply the equation 1 by 2. We get 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y, which is equals to 10. So I call this as equation number 3. So now see the equation 2 and equation 3. So here we have x equal. Now we can go for the eliminating the variable. So now solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, which is equals to 4, then 2x plus 2y, which is equals to 10. So now change the signs, minus, then minus. So plus 2x minus 2x get cancels. Now minus 3y minus 2y will be minus 5y, which is equals to, then 4 minus 10 will be minus 6. It is minus 6. Then y, which is equals to minus 6 divided by minus 5. Y, which is equals to minus by minus, it is plus. We get 6 by 5. Now we have eliminated x and we got the value of y. Now substitute y equal to 6 by 5 in equation 3. We get the value of x. So now put y which is equals to either we can substitute in 3 or 2. So put y is equals to 6 by 5 in equation 2. So what do we get now? 2x minus 3y, 3 into 6 by 5, which is equals to 4. Then now take up the LCM. 5 will be multiplied with this. We get 10x minus, multiply 3 with this, we get 18, which is equals to, take 5 to the RHS, it will be multiplied with 4. We get 20. 5 into 4, it is 20. Now 10x, which is equals to, take minus 18 to the RHS, it becomes plus 18. So we get 20 plus 18. So 10x which is equals to 38. 38. Now x is equals to 38 divided by 10. X is equals to, so it is 19 by 5. These two get cancelled in two tables. So x value it is 19 by 5. So this is all about, here we have the x value and then the y value. So this is all about the first sub question of the elimination method. Well, the second sub question it is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y which is equals to 2. So we will solve this. 3x plus 4y which is equals to 10. Call this as equation number 1. Then 2x minus 2y which is equals to 2. I call this as equation number 2. So here we have to make either x equal or y equal. So I will be making y equal now. See here, if you multiply 2 to the equation 2, we get 4y here. Or else you can also make x equal. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Here we get 6x, here we also get 6x. So either way you can solve the problem. So I will be doing by multiplying equation 2 by 2 so that it will be y equal. So now multiplying equation 2 by 2. So I multiply equation 2 by 2 now. We get 4x minus 4y. 4x minus 4y which is equals to 4. Call this as equation number 3. Then now see the equation 1 and equation 3. So we have 4y as well as 4y. So here it is plus 4y, here it is minus 4y. If you add these equations, so y will be eliminated. So now solving 1 and 3. 3x plus 4y which is equals to 10. Then 4x minus 4y which is equals to 4. 4x minus 4y which is equals to 4. So here, so don't change the signs now, because plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. Here we have to add the equations rather than subtracting. So plus 4y minus 4y get cancels. 3x plus 4x will be 7x which is equals to 10 plus 4 will be 14. It is 14. So now x which is equals to 14 divided by 7. X which is equals to 2. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. We have the value of x as 2. Now put x equal to 2. In equation 1 we get the value of y. Put x is equals to 2. Put x equal to 2 in equation 1. So 3 into 2 plus 4y plus 4y. 3 into 2 plus 4y which is equals to 10. Then 3 into 2 it is 6 plus 4y which is equals to 10. Then 4y which is equals to 10 minus 6. Then 4y, 10 minus 6 will be 4. Then y which is equals to 4 by 4. Then y which is equals to 1. And y which is equals to 1. So here 4 and 4 get cancels, y is 1. So these are the values of x and y. So this is all about the second sub question. Well, so let us solve the third sub question. See here, we'll write the given equations. 3x minus 5y Then take minus 4 to the RHS, it becomes plus 4. Call this as equation number 1. Now write the second equation, 9x, then take 2y to the LHS, it becomes minus 2y, which is equals to 7. So call this as equation number 2. So now we have to make either x equal or y equal. So now I will be making x equal. Here we have 9x. So that means for the first equation, both the sides we have to multiply by 3, so that we get 9x in the beginning. So now see here, multiplying equation 1 by 3. So both the sides we have to multiply by 3. We get 9x minus 15y, 9x minus 15y, which is equals to 12. So here also we have to multiply by 3, we get 12. So I call this as equation number 3. We have to solve equation 2 and equation 3 because x is equal. Now we have 9x and 9x. Solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. See here. So 9x minus 2y, 9x minus 2y, which is equals to 7, then 9x minus 15y, which is equals to 12. So now here we have to change the signs. So minus, plus, minus. So plus 9x minus 9x get cancels. Then minus 2y plus 15y will be 13y, which is equals to 7 minus 12 will be minus 5. So we get y, which is equals to minus 5 divided by 13. This is the value of y. Now put y equal to minus 5 by 13. In equation 2 we get the value of x. Put y, which is equals to minus 5 by 13 in equation 2. So now 9x minus 2 into y will be minus 5 by 13 now. So minus 5 divided by 13, minus 5 by 13, which is equals to 7. Then 9x minus into minus, it is plus, 2 into 5 it is 10 by 13, which is equals to 7. Then 9x, which is equals to 7 minus 10 by 13. So now 9x, which is equals to, so take up the LCM now, 13 will be multiplied with 7, we get 91. 91 minus 10 will be 81. So we get 81 by 13. So x is equals to 81 by 13 into 9. This 9 goes to the denominator, that's what I have written. So 9 ones are 9 nines are now. X is equals to, so here 9 ones are 9 nines are, we get 9 by 13. So we got both the values of x and y. X is equals to 9 by 13, whereas y equal to minus 5 by 13. So these are the values of x and y. We will solve the fourth sub question now. The given equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and then x minus y by 3, which is equals to 3. So here we have to take up the LCM and then get into the standard form. So write the given equations now. X by 2 plus 2y by 3, which is equals to minus 1. So the LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So now 2 3s are, we get 3x plus, so here 3 2s are, we get 4y, then whole divided by 6. That 6 you take it to the RHS, it will be multiplied with minus 1, we get minus 6. So I call this as equation number 1 and another equation now, x minus y by 3 which is equals to 3. So now here also we have to take up the LCM. 3 will be multiplied with x, then whole divided by 3. That 3 I take it to the RHS, it will be multiplied with 3. So 3x minus y which is equals to, then the denominator 3 should be taken to the RHS, will be multiplied with 3, into 3 it is 9. This equation I call it as equation number 2. So now see the equation 1 and 2, here we have the x equal 3x and 3x. So solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2. So 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y which is equals to minus 6, and then 3x minus y which is equals to 9, 3x minus y which is equals to 9. So go for the sign change, minus plus minus, plus 3x minus 3x get cancels, 4y plus y will be 5y which is equals to minus 6 minus 9 will be minus 15. Then y which is equals to minus 15 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5 3s, the y which is equals to minus 3. So we have got the value of y. Substitute y equal to minus 3 in any one of the equation, we get the value of x. So here put y equal to minus 3, put y which is equals to minus 3 in equation 2, So 3x minus y which is minus 3 now. So minus 3 which is equals to 9. Then 3x minus into minus, it is plus 3 which is equals to 9. 3x which is equals to, take 3 to the RHS, it becomes minus 3. 9 minus 3 it is 6. Now x which is equals to 6 divided by 3, x is equals to 2. So we have got the value of x and the value of y. So this is all about the fourth sub question, and there is an assignment for you. You have to solve all these 4 questions by substitution method also. So